Welcome once again to my channel. Now let's look at what we have here today. Uh, if 4 plus the square root of 9x equals to 3x minus 2, we're asked to solve for the value of x. How do we do this? It's very simple. Here's the solution to this problem. Now what we have is uh, 4 plus the square root of 9x to be equal to 3x minus 2. Remember, we are looking for the value of x that will satisfy this equation. So I can subtract 4 from both sides. That is to say, 4 plus root of 9x minus 4 will be equal to 3x minus 2 minus 4. So if I'm subtracting 4 from both sides, that means minus 4 will cancel out. Positive 4 is like 4 minus 4, which is 0. So the square root of 9x will be equal to 3x minus 2 minus 4 will give me minus 6. Now, what I will do now is, for me to eradicate this square root, or for me to remove this square root, I'll have to square both sides. So I'll put here square both sides. So if I'm squaring both sides, I'm going to have the square root of 9x all squared to be equal to 3x minus 6 all squared. Now this square will cancel out the square root and 9x, because this square root cancel out the square root, I'm left with 9x. Now when you see 3x minus 6 in a bracket raised to the power of 2, it means this bracket will come out 2 times, or will be expanded twice or 2 times. So I'll have into 3x minus 6 multiplied by another 3x minus 6. Alright, so doing that now, I have 9x to be equal to expand this, first term we multiply the first term we multiply the second term we multiply the first term, and second term multiply the second term. So first by first, that means 3x will multiply 3x to give me 9x squared. 3x will multiply minus 6 to give me minus 18x. Minus 6 times 3 will give me minus 18x. And then minus 6 will multiply minus 6 to give me positive 36. Now I'll have 9x to be equal to 9x squared minus 18 minus 8 will give me minus 36x plus 36. Now I'll subtract 9x, so 9x will cross over. I have 9x squared minus 36 minus 9, because when here is positive 9, so positive 9 will cross over to have a negative 9. So negative 9x, so I have minus 45x, because minus 36 minus 9, same thing as minus 45 plus 36. Now plus 36. Now I can factorize this, but to make it more easier, let's divide through by 9. Divide here by 9. 9 will cancel out. I'm left with x squared minus 45 divided by 9 5, and then plus 36 divided by 9 will be 4. See, so at this point all of this is equal to 0, equal to 0, equal to 0. Now at this point we have a quadratic equation, you see. So I can still factorize. To factorize this, I'm going to look for 2 factors that if I should multiply these 2 factors, I'll have 4. And if I should add or subtract, I'll have 5. And the numbers are just minus 4 and minus 1, because minus 4 times 1 will give me, minus 4 times minus 1 will give me positive 4, and then minus 4 plus minus 1 will give me minus 5. Yes, so I'll have x squared minus 4x minus x plus 4 equal to 0. Now to group them, I'll group them 2, 2 because I have 4 terms here. So I have x squared minus 4x in one group minus into x plus 4 equal to 0. So I'll have x is common. So x squared divided by x will give me x. And then x divided by 4 will give me minus 4. Minus 1 into x minus 4 equal to 0. Now, I'll be able to factorize this. So if you can observe, we have this same bracket, the same thing here. So you pick these two outside the bracket. Pick 1 here. Equal to 0. At this point now, this implies that x minus 1, let me just say here, that means x will be equal to 1, or x will be equal to 4. So the solution or the value of x that will satisfy this equation is 1 and 4. Meanwhile, take note, if we are using 1 to substitute into this equation, it's not going to give us what is on. That means it's not going to make the equation balance. What is on your left hand side will not be equal to what is on your right hand side. So that in that case, x equal to 1 is an extraneous solution to this equation. Meanwhile, x equal to 4 is the root of this equation, or the actual solution, or the real value of x that will satisfy this equation. If you find this video interesting, do not hesitate. Make sure you like this video, subscribe to this channel, and don't forget to share this video. Thanks for watching. Bye.